Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make a French omelette. Let's get straight into it. We're going to start by cracking in 3 eggs into a bowl. It does make a difference when you use room temperature or chilled. Now we're just going to season this with a pinch of salt and some cracked pepper. Then just using a whisk or a fork, we're going to whisk this. Basically, we're looking for this pale colour. So we're just going to go to our stove now and just into a medium-sized frying pan on a medium heat. Add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. And we just want to melt that. Now when it comes to making a French omelette, the most important thing is never go past a medium heat, always leave it. Once your butter has melted, we're going to add in our egg mixture straight in. And we're going to start by just like a figure 8, just move that mixture around. Not for the whole time, but for the first, say, 20 seconds. So at this point we're going to leave it alone and just let it do its thing. Now after about 10 seconds we're going to start at one side by turning our mixture over like that. Now if you want, you can also use the pan to guide you, just like that. So bring that mixture back. Now flip it over again like that. Next, just add in another knob of butter in there. And we're ready to serve. So to serve it, we'll just carefully take it off the pan like so. And our melted butter just goes on top. And we'll finish it off with some freshly chopped chives. Now the most important thing, slice into it. Just have a look at that. Nice and soft on the inside. And that's ready to go out. So simple as that. It does come with a bit of practice to get it right and learn your timing. But it's very nice, very simple. And don't get scared about the butter. When it comes to French cooking, it's all about the butter. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.